Alright guys, after a bunch of delay, this is the contest. I'm giving away 1 free spot in my break on Saturday. 2 Crusade, 1 Timeless Treasure. Here's all your comments. We got 112 entries, I believe. It's quite the list, which didn't help getting this done. So here we go. Going 11. Always get big numbers on the big list. Here we go. 113. Alright, here we go. 11. Two more. 10. Last one. Jeremy Nedham. So congratulations to you. PM me, contact me. We'll get all the details worked out. Everyone else, good luck in everything you do in the future. We appreciate every one of you being here. We hope for this to be the friendliest attitude that we can, the smoothest transactions. It doesn't always work like that, but I mean, we can do what we can do. So, glad to give something away to somebody. And that's it. Jeremy, get in contact with me.